Hey guys, so I am back. I took a long break again. Also, sorry if you hear my dog whining. I feel like it's just going to be impossible for her to not whine once throughout this video. So anyways, I thought I'd make this video and I've really missed you guys. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. And look forward to more videos because I've been doing a lot of planning. And also really one more quick note. I am kind of losing my voice, so that's why it sounds really weird and it might crack and it might cut out and do different weird things. So sorry about that, but without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So one thing I feel that is really important to start out 2019, and like one really big thing I've been into lately, is just like health, like mentally, and just like self-care and just like taking care of yourself. But I think just unfollowing people like on like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, it's just like someone that just doesn't like build you up and they just tear you down and stuff. Unfollowing people that you just aren't interested in anymore. If you just like changed interests and just like filling up your feed and it's not like a good feed for you, like say your Instagram, like the feed is just not like building you up or creating a healthy environment for you, I think it's really important to just unfollow those people. The second thing I would really encourage in 2019 is to find a mentor / accountability partner. So a mentor could be someone that's older than you. In hopes like your mentor should be someone that you're not related to, so that way there's like no biased advice or anything like that, and it just really helps to not have someone you're related to, because usually, I don't know, it's kind of weird, but you're usually more open to talk to people that you don't know extremely well. And they're able to give you more raw and honest advice usually. So that's one big thing. And then like accountability partner, maybe like a best friend or something like that, like someone that can be raw and honest with you, being comfortable enough to tell you the truth, and knowing that it's coming out of like love and not hate. For me, if I'm in a certain situation, I can't always see the bigger picture, but people around me that are like really close with me and stuff and see the situation, they can see things that I can't, and so they can just kind of give me their perspective and their advice. The third thing I would really encourage you to start in 2019 is to start journaling. So this is something that I really slacked off on this year. Journaling is a really good way for you to get like emotions out onto paper, and then you're not like going and like gossiping or tattling on other people. I don't know, for me it's just like a really good way for me to evaluate things, to look at the situation, and like even come back the next day and read that journal entry. So it's really good, a really good way for me to learn to evaluate situations and to just think about things before actually doing them or saying them. The fourth thing that I think would be really good for a lot of people in 2019, including myself, is to actually go grocery shopping and to meal plan. So actually meal plan and then grocery shop kind of a thing. But for me, like I just get on Pinterest, and I've been trying to do this more this month, but one of my goals in 2019 is to cook more healthy meals at home. And I just think it's, again, like a healthier you, and like honestly putting like good nutrients and good things into your body before like junk food and like, you know, binge eating junk food. I feel like it's really important for like mental health and like physical health and all that stuff. So it just keeps you more energized throughout the day and also actually affects your mood and stuff like that. The fifth thing I would really advise you to do in 2019 is to get a planner. For me, it's like meal planning and when I'm gonna work out, and even if I don't always do it, at least it's planned out and it's there and I see it. So even if I don't always go through with it and like it's a thing for me to check off, more times than not I will be able to check it off because I'm more likely to do it if it's written down than if it's just in the back of my mind. So I would really encourage you to get a good planner. I'll link some good ones down below. And the final thing, which is the sixth thing that I would really encourage you to do in 2019, is to have a morning and evening routine. And not like, I wouldn't say you necessarily have to follow this every single time to a T, because it's not always going to happen that way. But just having like a more strict morning and evening routine where I'm like being productive. So just getting a post-it note or a note card or something that you can put in your bathroom or somewhere where you'll see it every morning and every night, just writing down things that you really want to get done in your morning routine. So that is it for this video. I really hope that you all enjoyed it. I'm really happy to be back, and I honestly don't know how often I'm going to be uploading, but it's definitely going to be way more often than I have been. Again, I'm just really excited and I have a lot of ideas. So yeah, I hope that you guys will subscribe down below and like this video, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!